Hello, Super GT race car fans. So we have a cartoon version of this Toyota SC430, and it seems to be an official Eneos product. That's the packaging I see for it. The way it's constructed, it makes me think it's made by Kirin. Well, the company that makes toy cars for Kirin. Maybe it's all done by Chorokyu. Oh, this one's actually broken right here. This black missing where it is here. Anyways, it's used. It's been abused because you can see there's glue in the tire, and the person tried to fill in the black here, but not very well. It's not good, but whatever. I didn't pay much for this, so eesh, look at these headlights. What went wrong with that? The person literally tried to paint headlights or something, but alright, well, it's a plastic body and it's just all painted. You know, it's just this orange plastic, and they painted the windows black, silver. All this tampo printing is all paint. So, and in my case, additional black paint from the previous owner. A little tab here is holding the back down, and then there's a screw there. So I'm going to open this up and give it a little wheel swap. I don't like these blanked off wheels. I thought about printing my own, but the way these wheels are designed in real life, I don't think they would print reliably. The spokes are so thin, I think they would just collapse and break. Yeah, so I've seen a construction like this either from, I think, Kirin Coffee or Suntory Boss Coffee. The freebies that come with those. I'm assuming this might have been a freebie as well. Maybe if you buy gasoline or whatever at this gas station, you know, get a freebie or something. I wish they did that where I lived. Alright, well anyways, I'm gonna pop in a different motor here. I think they're all the same size. This is a Chorokyu motor, and I want to put this in because if I put this in, I don't have to use as much putty to mount the wheels. I'm going to hand screw this back because the plastic will strip out with that electric drill. Okay. So I got these wheels here that just like BBS racing wheels with a center knockoff. And what I like about this toy is the rear tire isn't staggered like a Chorokyu. They're all just equal sized wheels, equal sized tires. Maybe too much putty in this one. This is poster putty, by the way, if you're curious. In particular, it's called Uhu Potafix Pro Power. It's supposed to hold a lot of kilos against the wall, but for a tiny toy like this, it's overkill. I just like it because it's gray. Alright, I like it's got a little separate wing. And there we go. Let's look at a few other deformed race cars. Alright, let's look at a few other vehicles. This is by Chorokyu. This is a Supra, an Esso Supra. I added some black paint in the wheels, and I used poster putty, so it lowered the ride height. Here's a GTR, and this one has stock wheels and stock ride height. Here's an SX, stock wheels, stock ride height. So they're all Super GT cars, I think. Here's an LMP racer. This is a Chorokyu also, the 787, the one that actually won Le Mans one year, and I 3D printed wheels for it. And then we have a different brand. This is by CART, and it's a Porsche 911. This one has side mirrors, and it's a different type of deformation, so taller. It's a bit bigger of a toy. Yeah, so very cool. Deformed race cars. Yeah. You know, maybe if I find another one of these at a decent price, I'll get it. I didn't realize the headlights were that messed up, but I don't feel like trying to correct it. Alright, well, I guess I'll see you in the next deformed race car video. Thanks for watching today.